What's up, YouTube? And no, YouTube, I'm finna show y'all my other two train calls I never showed yesterday due to my camera did not hold much storage. So, anyways, I'm gonna get them. I'll be back. Alright, the first call I was gonna show you I got yesterday is my Baby Ruth box car. You can tell when it eats, it says also taco. You can tell. That's neat on the top of the hood, top of it. Baby Ruth. Alright, the next time I show you my last one, I didn't show you this today. Here's my other gas tank. I got this one too. It's we don't know. I think it's a gas tank. It says Weston, and has that thing on the back of it. Different colors on it. Alright, that's all. Doesn't show you on the 3 days. I didn't show you the 2 days. I didn't show you this day. Due to my current home storage, my bad. I let you go. Thanks so much for watching this video. And please know, comment, like, and subscribe. And please. So, yeah. And please see you friends and family about my YouTube channel. Thanks so much for watching my videos. And that's direct like 10 before I get to the thing y'all watching. I am out.